Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you succeed in learning American English. Are you tired of trying every method out there to sound like a native English speaker? Are you struggling with grammar rules that just won't stick? Don't worry, because in today's video, I'm here to guide you step by step through the best tips to speak like a pro. We'll answer the most common FAQs about mastering native English grammar and give you actionable strategies to boost your speaking confidence. Learn 100% online with certified and licensed English educators based in America. Check the description box for more details and contact us today. Start your journey to fluency with ACA. Ready to transform your English skills? Let's dive right in. What's the first step to mastering native level grammar? Answer: start with basic sentence structures, subject, S, plus verb, V, plus object, O. Mastery of this ensures a solid base for constructing more complex sentences. Examples: basic sentences. I eat lunch at noon. She sings beautifully. We walk to school every day. They play football on weekends. He drinks coffee in the morning. With an adjective. He is a kind person. The cake looks delicious. The car feels smooth. She is very intelligent. The book was interesting. Adding an adverb. She speaks clearly. He runs fast. They work hard every day. I study diligently for exams. He drives carefully through the city. Negative form. I do not like coffee. She does not understand the question. They did not attend the meeting. He has not finished his homework. We are not going to the party tonight. Question form. Do you like chocolate? Is she coming to the event? Have you seen the new movie? Will they join us for dinner? Can I help you with that? Passive voice. The letter was sent yesterday. The cake was baked by my mother. The project was completed on time. The book was read by many people. The decision was made by the committee. Conditional sentences. If it rains, I will stay at home. If he studied harder, he would pass the exam. If you ask, I will help you. If they had left earlier, they would have arrived on time. If I win the lottery, I will travel the world. Compound sentences. I like tea, but she prefers coffee. He is tired, so he is going to bed early. We can go to the park, or we can stay at home. She wanted to go shopping, but it was raining. I need to finish my work, and then I can relax. Complex sentences. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. He passed the exam because he studied hard. If she studies more, she will get a better grade. After we eat, we will go to the movies. Even though she was tired, she finished the project. Relative clauses. The woman who lives next door is friendly. The book that I read was fascinating. The person whom I spoke to was very helpful. The teacher who helped me is kind. The place where we met is beautiful. How do native speakers use contractions so naturally? Answer: contractions make speech flow more naturally and efficiently. Practice with these in context to sound less formal. Examples: I'm going to the store. They are there, they're on their way. You'll enjoy this. I would, I'd love to join. We're planning a trip. She has she's been here before. I had I'd already finished. He will, he'll call you later. You're absolutely right. It's a beautiful day. How can I improve my use of prepositions in, on, at, etc.? Answer. Prepositions define location, time, or relationships. They're best learned through examples. Examples with prepositions. Time. I'll see you at 5 p.m. He was born in December. We met on Monday. Place. The keys are on the counter. She's sitting in the room. They are at the park. Movement. He jumped into the pool. She walked out of the building. They drove through the tunnel. Why is pronunciation important, and how do I master it? Answer. Pronunciation ensures clarity and avoids misunderstandings. Use repetition and tech tools to improve. Minimal pairs, words with similar but distinct sounds. Ship versus sheep. The ship is at the dock. The sheep is grazing in the field. Bit versus beat. I bit into the apple. The drum beat was loud. Cat versus cut. The cat is sleeping. Be careful not to cut yourself. Pen versus pin. Can I borrow your pen? I found a pin on the floor. Bag versus bug. Put the groceries in the bag. There's a bug on the window. Tongue twisters, challenging phrases to practice articulation. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Silent letters, words with unpronounced letters. Knife, silent K, he cut the bread with a knife. Honest, silent H, he is an honest man. Climb, silent B, the children climb the tree every day. Subtle, silent B, there's a subtle difference between the two colors. Island, silent S, the island is surrounded by turquoise water. Stress patterns, changing stress for meaning or emphasis. Present, noun, versus present, verb. This is a lovely present. I will present the findings tomorrow. Record, noun, versus record, verb. The athlete broke a record. Please record this meeting. Contract, noun, versus contract, verb. He signed the contract. The metal will contract as it cools. Permit, noun, versus permit, verb. Do you have a parking permit? I don't permit smoking here. Produce, noun, versus produce, verb. This store sells fresh produce. Factories produce goods for export. Linking sounds, blending words for natural flow. What are you doing? Whatcha doin'? Whatcha doin' later tonight? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Do you want to go to the park? Did you eat? Jeet? Jeet already, or are you hungry? I am going to the store. I'm gonna the store. I'm gonna head to the store soon. He is not coming. He's not coming. He's not gonna make it. Intonation, rise and fall of tone. Rising tone for yes/no questions. Are you coming? Falling tone for WH questions. Where are you going? Rising tone for polite requests. Could you pass the salt? Falling tone for declarative statements. I will meet you at 5. Rising and falling for contrast. I want tea, not coffee. Homophones, words with same sound but different meaning. There versus there. Their car is parked there. To versus to. I want to go to. Right versus right. Write it on the right side of the page. Plane versus plane. The plane landed on a plain field. Bear versus bear. He couldn't bear the weight with his bare hands. Should I focus on idioms and slang? Answer: yes. These add color to your language and help you sound more native. Examples of idioms: break the ice to start a conversation or make people feel more comfortable. Example: his joke helped break the ice at the party. Under the weather, feeling ill or sick. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Spill the beans to reveal a secret. Example: she accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Jump on the bandwagon to join others in doing something that is currently popular or trendy. Example: everyone is jumping on the bandwagon of eco-friendly products. Burn bridges to destroy a relationship or opportunity, usually permanently. Example: he burned bridges with his coworkers by quitting without notice. The ball is in your court equals it's your turn to make a decision or take action. Example: I've done all I can, now the ball is in your court. Hit the hay to go to bed or sleep. Example: I'm exhausted, I think I'll hit the hay early tonight. Take it with a grain of salt to view something with skepticism or not take it literally. Example: I heard the rumor, but I'm taking it with a grain of salt. Cry over spilled milk, to be upset about something that cannot be undone or changed. Example: there's no point in crying over spilled milk, we'll fix the problem. Caught between a rock and a hard place. To be in a difficult situation where there are no easy solutions. Example: I'm caught between a rock and a hard place, either decision has major drawbacks. Examples of slang: lit amazing, exciting. Example: that concert was lit. Vibes, the atmosphere or feeling of a place or situation. Example: this cafe has such good vibes. FOMO, fear of missing out. Example: I can't miss this party, I have major FOMO. Savage, someone who is fierce, unapologetically bold, or tough. Example: she made a savage comeback in the argument. Slay, to do something really well or look amazing. Example: you're totally slaying that outfit. Fam, close friends or family. Example: we're just hanging out with the fam this weekend. Ghost, to suddenly stop all communication with someone. Example: he ghosted me after our date. Shook, shocked, or surprised. Example: I was shook when I heard the news. Flex, to show off or boast. Example: he's always flexing his new car. Tea, gossip, or news. Example: spill the tea, what happened at the party? And that's it for today's video. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your questions in the comments below. What's your biggest challenge in learning English? Let's tackle it together. Remember, learning native level grammar is a journey. By focusing on these FAQs and following the tips, you'll speak like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Fast with ACA for more language tips, tricks, and tutorials. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning! Pre-register now with ACA and take the first step toward fluency. Find our contact details in the description box to register for your classes.